We had some good rain yesterday. 2.62 inches of rain here in Tampa. Actually set a record for the date to pick up that much rain. Really helped us out, actually put us back into the surplus column for the month. Really hard to talk about surplus rain when you're still talking about you're a foot behind the average for the year. So we still need a lot of rain to make up our deficit, but that was certainly very welcome rain, and we're going to get more showers and storms around for today. Sky Tower radar picking up a lot of these little showers out into the Gulf and starting to see some of these working their way onshore. No lightning in any of these. These are just those good tropical downpours, but up towards Holiday, Tarpon Springs, then Indian Rocks Beach, down across the Sunshine Skyway. There's one working its way right towards downtown St. Pete. So not a lot of activity yet, and it's just all coastal right now. But as the sun comes up and we heat up the atmosphere, we start to get a lot more unstable, and that's what's going to really help to spark a lot more of those showers and storms. 80 degrees right now here in Tampa, the same in Clearwater, St. Petersburg, 83 down in Sarasota, currently 78. Get into the mid and upper 80s as you head down across the southern end of the state, and then some 70s, mid 70s up across the northern part of the state. So frontal boundaries still sitting to our north. That's that stationary front, which just continues to funnel all that moisture over the state. You see all these little showers out into the Gulf of Mexico, so we will continue to funnel some of that over us for today. By tomorrow, we're starting to change the pattern around as a tropical wave will be coming at us from the south and the southeast. So there's more of these scattered showers and storms around for today into the late afternoon. They'll wind down, but notice you're already starting to see that southeasterly wind. Here's that moisture coming from the opposite direction. Tropical wave works its way through. Rain chance drops briefly for tomorrow, and then we bump it right back up as we head into Sunday before we dry it out once again. Lots of activity going on in the tropics. We have Invest 98. 99, we have a disturbance, another tropical wave working its way towards the Gulf of Mexico. All of these through here, low chance of development. We could see some development as this one works its way into the central and western Gulf of Mexico. It won't really affect us. That's what will help to actually bump our rain chances up on Sunday. But one of these, especially this Invest 98, that one could become a tropical depression or storm over the weekend. None of these really pose any threat to us, but it's a sign. We're talking about as we head towards the peak of the season, you start to see more and more of that activity in there. Tropics look like they're coming to life. Another round of storms for today. They'll be working their way inland. Daytime high at 91. Then for tonight, storms diminish. Mainly cloudy skies. Low temperature down to 77. Here's that 7-day forecast. Daytime highs kind of bouncing around a little bit, but they're soaring right back into the mid-90s next week as those rain chances drop once again. Elise?